guys, LP's Pretty Paws here, back with another awesome video. And today I am very mad because Animal Jam decided it would be a great idea. Like, they, at Animal Jam headquarters, they were like, I have a perfect idea. And then the other guy was like, what? And they're like, we should bring a clothing beta back in shops. And I don't know why they thought that was a great idea, but check this out. Look at this. Dun dun dun. That's my dramatic sound effects. So, like, guys, don't trade for cooling betas. They're probably gonna bring back, like, warrants now. Like, probably, I bet you $1 million. Look. You could just go and buy yourself a clothing beta in the store. It's so unfair. This item was a clothing beta yesterday. This is so stupid. I'm so mad because I just traded rims for mine. Like, I traded a bunch of rare item Mondays for my beautiful little hat. And now they decide to bring it back in stores, and I am all mad. I'm mad. That's my friend. Hi. So this is like so maddening. So maddening. Here, why is that even a good idea? Let's tell her I'm mad. I'm so mad. Because I'm furious. This is so maddening. No wonder they accepted. Anyway, so I'm so mad that Animal Jam brought back clothing betas. That was like the best. So bye.